That's how you read Korean, wasn't it easy? In this lesson, we are going to learn Korean alphabet called Hangul, and at the end of this video, you'll be able to speak Korean. Even before we begin, I have a great news for you. Did you know that Korean has world's easiest writing system? Some people even say that you can learn Hangul within just a couple of hours to be able to read every single Korean word out there. That's very good to know. Now let's begin. The way Hangul is written is in syllabic blocks that are formed with at least one consonant followed by a vowel with an optional final consonant. These are the consonants in Hangul and each of them has a name to refer to, like 기역, 니은, and so on. But for now, we are only going to focus on the pronunciation. Here is how they are pronounced with a vowel. 가, 가, 나, 나, 다, 다, 라, 라, 마, 마, 바, 바, 사, 사, 아, 아, 자, 자, 차, 차, 카, 카, 타, 타, 파, 파, 하, 하. This consonant is rather unique. When it's used as an initial consonant, it only behaves as a placeholder, which means it's only there to form a word without affecting the sound. But when it's used as a final consonant, it makes sound. For example, a, ang. There is also what's called double consonant. These have more aggressive and sharper sound. Here is how they sound. 까, 까, 따, 따, 빠, 빠, 싸, 싸, 짜, 짜. This time, let's compare double consonant with non-double consonant. 가, 까, 가, 까, 다, 따, 다, 따, 바, 빠, 바, 빠, 사, 싸, 사, 싸, 자, 짜, 자, 짜. Hopefully you could hear the difference. Now let's take a look at vowels. There are two ways to place vowels in Korean. You might have already noticed with the word Hangul. Some vowels are written on the right side of the consonant and some are written underneath the consonant. Some vowels can also be combined together. For this reason, to help you visualize where these vowels should be placed, I'll be using a placeholder as a consonant. E, 이, 아, 아, 야, 야, 어, 여, 으, 오, 요, 우, you. Here are some combination of those vowels. 에, 예, 에, 예, 와, 왜, 왜, we, 의. Now you know all consonant and vowels, let's try to pronounce some words together. Feel free to look at the Hangul table and you can pause the video and try to figure out the pronunciation on your own first. Here is the first word. 차, 차, 나무, 나무, 운동, 운동, 커피, 커피, 기타, 기타. That's how you read Korean, wasn't it easy? Now it's time to practice. Make sure to find the link in the description to download practice examples. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.